Featuring a similar look and feel to the higher-priced models in the line, the ATH M20X has an all-new engineering design and advanced build quality, which combine to deliver a comfortable listening experience. Incorporating 40mm drivers with rare earth magnets, the ATH M20X's audio response is tuned for enhanced low-frequency performance, appealing to the listener who wants more solid bass in their sound without sacrificing overall response. Now offering a Circumaural ear cup design for superior sound isolation, the ATH M20X ear cups swivel 15 degrees, allowing for a more comfortable fit, and one ear cup can be folded outward for one-ear DJ-style monitoring. Incorporating a 10-foot permanently attached single-side exit cable with an 1/8-inch TRS connector, the ATH M20X headphones include a snap-on 1/4-inch adapter, allowing them to work with a wide array of audio equipment. Ideal as an affordable tracking room headphone, the ATH M20X are a great choice for the first-time recordist, classroom, podcaster, home studio, and casual listening. ATH M20X, a great introduction with an affordable price. For more information, visit us on the web at www.audio-technica.com.